In this video, I'm going to show you how to shrink the volume in Windows 11. So to go and shrink the volume of one of your drives, we can do this by first coming over to the Start menu, search for the word partition, and then click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now from this window, you just need to go and select the drive that you want to shrink. So for example, if I wanted to go and shrink my C drive, we would simply right-click on the C drive, click on Shrink Volume, and then just wait a couple of seconds. Select the amount of space that you want to shrink this drive by. So this is in megabytes, so I'm going to type in 1000 and then go and press shrink. Now, once you've shrunk the drive, you'll see this black window here with unallocated space. So you can basically use this to go and create extra drives on your computer. And you can do that just by right-clicking, clicking on New Simple Volume, click on Next, select the amount that you want for your new drive and click Next. Assign a letter to this new drive, so mine's going to be the D drive, and then press Next. Click on Next again, and press Finish. Now, if I go over to my computer, you'll see we now have a C drive and also this D drive, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.